built on a vision to inspire students through innovative education. But education doesn't stop with our students. It's about creating opportunities for all learners. Learners from 3 years old to 103 years old, and building a community that grows together. Recently, we brought together over 100 members of the Forney community to talk about the future of education, what they want for their children and their families, and how we can shape learning beyond the classroom. They shared their ideas, their hopes, and their vision, and one thing was clear. We all agree that focusing on hope, well-being, and engagement is key to creating meaningful experiences for our students, families, and community. So today, I'm proud to share the next phase in providing engaging opportunities for our Forney family with the expansion of the aquatic training facility into something much bigger. A place for learning, movement, creativity, play, and connection. Starting with an additional pool that will allow us to expand swimming programs for all ages, from learn to swim classes and second grade water safety to our award-winning swim, dive, and water polo teams, all the way to senior water aerobics, and so much more. Whether you're learning to swim for the first time or staying active as a lifelong learner, this space is designed just for you. But swimming is just the beginning of this space, and will offer so much more. For the first time ever, our high school golf teams will have their own practice space with a golf driving range, pitch and putt, and indoor simulators. The golf facility will also serve our new golf academy and provide opportunities for our community to engage as well. As we continue to grow the school district, we want to expand opportunities for our students as well by adding a new gymnastics space on the first floor, a modern art studio where students and community can take classes, design pottery, paint, and host creative workshops, a kitchen and dining concept designed for shared experiences and expanded career opportunities for our students and community, spaces available for businesses and engagement opportunities, and a secure second floor with flexible learning spaces for student education and collaboration, modeled after our innovative OC concept. It's a transformation, redefining education, entertainment, and family engagement for all ages. These new golf and swim facilities are possible through construction cost savings from the 2019 bond projects, proving that we reinvest strategically in opportunities that matter for our community. These facilities will be opening in phased approaches over the next 2 years, with the facilities fully open by the fall of 2027. This strengthens our commitment to enriching students, families, and our entire community. Education isn't just what happens in a classroom. It's what happens in our lives, in our passions, in the moments we create together. This new facility is our way of saying Forney ISD is here to innovate, to inspire, to connect, and bring more opportunities for students, families, and our community. We're excited about what's ahead, and we can't wait to see you learn with us.